House Bill 183, Printers Number 130, amends the Workers' Compensation Act to expand eligibility for permanent disfigurement benefits to injuries that occur anywhere on the body,
Okay.
and increases the maximum number of weeks for receiving the benefits from 275 weeks to 400 weeks, while also clarifying that this benefit is separate from partial or total disability benefits.
Thank you. I would now like to recognize the co-sponsor, Representative Brennan, for brief remarks.
Thank you, Chairman. I practiced workers' comp law for something like 15 years. I've seen every variety of way that someone could have a horrific injury in the workplace. And there are so many stories where a person is injured and doesn't have any protection from the workers' comp statute, can't come after their employer because that's the trade-off in the workers' comp code that however an injury occurs, the claimant will be protected. But you never can file a suit against your employer, even if it was intentional, even if there was some horrible mistake that they made, and even if they were cutting corners. So, I've seen a waitress with hot oil spilling it all down her chest. I've seen, the Boilermaker who's in an explosion, firefighters. And these are the kind of people who aren't covered by that, everyday workers that we see. This is a 110-year-old statute. This brings a little closer to the 21st century. The expected cost of this, I think, are we've heard that this is going to cause new litigation. No one's going to go and have a neck surgery to get payment for 20 weeks of a scar on their neck, and that's a lot of times when this is coming up. A lot of times you see it during cervical disectomies, where there's a scar that's really prominent on the front of your neck. That's where this is applied most frequently. In terms of the cases that it comes up in scarring, it's 1 in 20, maybe 1 in 40, 50 maybe, who knows? But it's the exception. You don't see it very frequently. The concern some folks I've heard is that this would cause more people to go out this. There are breaks in the statute. It has to be permanent. Someone who has a cut and it's just appearing right away, you can't go in and say I have scarring. You have to show that this is permanent. You have to show that it's unsightly. So there are, there are judicial guide rails for this that will keep it controlled. So I think this is a great bill. I think it covers those people who have been in catastrophic situations or situations that truly need help from the statute, and I encourage a yes vote.